Hello, thank you for visiting this YouTube channel. Here I am with a quick recap on today's events at TASI. Before we move to the next part of video, here is a disclaimer. Please read it and only once you agree proceed with the next part of video. Thank you. These videos are only for information and educational purposes. These are not trade recommendations. Do follow your own risk management rules and please consult a trading advisor before placing a trade. Thank you. Okay, so what we expected probably, yesterday, how, because market was already in the oversold zone, so market did consolidate today and gain some points towards the close. But what is important for us is, how the events have unfolded and what might be expected, tomorrow. So today, what I've done is I have quickly reviewed the charts on various time frames. There were nothing on 5 hourly time frame. Sorry, on 5 hourly time frame there is a potential negative reversal pattern. So this close is 10,825 and this is 765. This is clearly a negative reversal pattern. A lot will depend on this. Now this is not a classic one though. You know what? How I would expect a negative reversal pattern to be forming, but this will be something of a concern. Now price has to break this. Unless price breaks this, it will be very difficult, for the market to rally higher. So this needs to be watched out very carefully in days and hours to come. Going to 4 hourly time frame, I have not seen anything substantial, but here it is. There is nothing. So 4 hourly time frame is although into oversold, but as I have already mentioned, markets can be oversold and can remain to be oversold for very long without doing anything. This is 3 hourly time frame. The same thing. There is nothing great over here as well. On 2 hourly time frame, what we have is basically nothing. And on hourly time frame, see, these are the typical market behaviors. Now see, when market is into the oversold zone, this is what will typically happen. This is a bullish divergence between these 2 points, 10,686 and 635. And since market was already into an oversold zone, probably 20, 18, these are markets can remain over here, but still these are alarming ones. So after spending some time here, market has already bounced. Now when market has bounced, it has not yet formed a negative reversal formation. Okay, this is just a head bump. There is nothing, not much to get worried about market. And if market will be forming a negative reversal and it will be breaking it towards the upside, that might be giving some rally boost to the main trend, which is an uptrend for this market. Coming to the small time frames, because these corrections start from these small time frames only. See, this is classic piece. So you had a bullish divergence between 10,723, 686 and 632, and then negative reversal is getting broken 746 and 721. This was broken. This is classic piece of trade, which is probably I mean, this is a very good piece of trade while trading the derivatives market, because there we use a lot of leverage and everything to blow our positions. So now coming to magnify our positions, I should say, not blow. Okay, on 15 minutes time frame here, we'll see the same sort of story. Nothing changed. Here you have a bullish divergence between 10,718, 10,598, and then you had negative reversal between 10,854 and 726, and sorry, yeah, 854 and 726, and this got broken, and it gives you, it gave you a good piece, probably to, if someone wants to enjoy some quick bucks. Now see, something of importance is, see what has happened. Market rallied during these many 15 minutes, uh, 15 minutes time frame. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So market kept rallying all this while, and then a single candle gives you, a single candle which in which in which market started dumping. Uh, Positions were dumped, and market fell down by 67 points in a single candle. So what this indicates is probably that this thing is going to last. This correction may last for a while, but a lot will depend on how this pattern behaves, which is the 5 hourly time frame behaves, because this is something which will be very important to watch out for. In case if this is broken, it will give boost to those lower time frames, because you have to bear in mind that all your lower time frames are were operating into the oversold zone, and so there was a bounce, but still your intermediate time frames, which is like 2 hourly, 3 hourly and all, those are also oversold yet. So what may happen most likely is that if this gets broken, you'll have to first see whether this negative here market forms a negative reversal and resumes to its corrective move, or else coming here most likely I would love something market struggling over here, somewhere over here, and then forming a bearish divergence. That will be that will be an excellent setup, worth exploring, because that will also be getting pressurized by this bearish divergence somewhere here. So anyways, I'm not recommending any trade over here on this platform, as we know. So the expected direction of market will depend a lot. I'm talking about the shorter term time frames. Will depend a lot on whether this 5 hourly time frames negative reversal pattern is being broken or not. So for now, till the time this is broken, the expected direction of price on the shorter term time frame will be moderately bearish to bearish. This is pretty clear. Once this is broken, then we will be expecting some significant move coming into the market to the upside. But now you'll have to be extremely cautious and very careful when market again hits 11,000 to 11,150 zone. Unless market clears 11,200, it will be very unlikely for small investors to get into the market. With this, I'm wrapping up this video. In case if you like my content, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And during the Eid holiday, a lot of live sessions would be there, in case if I'm able to host those, because I'm not aware about the technical setups and all on how to do this YouTube live and all. But I'll be doing mainly those on cryptos. Thank you.